All right, so we are having a look at sets of positive even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this is using NCR, but there are complications. So what do we got? We've got subsets of S containing at least two numbers. Question A, how many subsets of S contain at least two numbers? What is it actually asking us? Well, if we were doing a one number set, we would do 6, choose 1. If we were doing one with less than that, with 0 numbers, it would be 6, choose 0. Okay, so that would give us a total. Well, there's only 6 different ways I can choose one number, either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 10 or 12. And there is only one way I can choose no numbers, and that's by choosing no numbers. So that means there's 7 different ways I can choose. So 7 ways, 7 sets of less than 2 numbers. So we're using the complement again. Then if we have a look, if we wanted to choose all of them, you'd have 2 to the power of 6. So we're then going to minus the 7, which gives us 57 sets of at least 2 numbers. So the 2 to the power of 6 is all the different ways these can be organised, and the minus 7 eliminates all of the ways that there's less than 2 numbers in. All right. Question B. How many subsets with at least 2 numbers that do not contain 8? So there is now a 5 number set T, which is basically 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. So we're using that as our set now. So we do pretty much exactly the same, but we've got 5C1 and 5C0 that we're going to do this time, which is going to equal 5 plus 1, which will equal 6. So that's still sets of, that's less than 2 numbers. All we've done is eliminate the 8. So then when we're working it out, we're actually going to go 2 to the power of 5 minus 6, which will give us 26 sets of at least 2 numbers. Question C, how many subsets with at least 2 numbers do not contain 8, but do contain 10? Whew. So 10 has already been chosen. So 10's already chosen. So we can eliminate that from the set. And we're also going to eliminate 8 as well. So let's call this set U, and we've got 2, 4, 6, 12. Okay, so we don't need 10 in there because we're already using it. It's already set. And we don't need 8 in there because we don't want to use it. So how many of 0 number sets are there? Oh, hang on, I think that, okay. So we need to choose a subset. Oh, that's right. So what we need to look at is we're looking at the ones, same as we did here, we looked at the ones that have got less than 2 numbers. So here we're going to look at, there's one set of 0 numbers. Okay, so you can get that. Why we're looking for 0 numbers? Because we've already chosen 10. So by having 0 numbers out of that, we've got at least one number. We've still got 10. Okay, so we're looking at one set of 0 numbers. Then we have a look at 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. So 2 to the power of 4 is how many different ways we can arrange that. And then we're subtracting that one set, which was a 0 number, which means we have 15 sets. We have 15 sets that have 2 numbers, but 10 is already included and 8 is not included.